All right, guys, this is Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Thursday, January 26, 2016. SPY breaking out to all-time highs. Fantastic breakout. Exactly what you'd want to see on a breakout, clearing the range on a gap here, up 0.87%. So really nice day for the market overall, and IWM participating here, not at highs, but at 0.94%. And the Qs continue to lead 1%. Big gap up. The big tech led yesterday, big moves yesterday. We can take a look here at Facebook, Amazon, here, Google. The one we're in, because it's already had earnings, kind of held off here after the day before its big day, but still right in within the range what we want to be seeing here. And then Apple, again, the problem with all these is earnings is coming up next week for most of these, so we can't really get into them at this point. Now, Tesla doesn't report, I think, till the 8th or 9th. Let's see here if I've got it written here. I think it's the 8th or 9th. And we do have the first red day, not only a red day, but it tried to break and come back in. So this is something that could potentially be taken as a quick short. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, and you do want to get out before earnings, but maybe here it pulls back going into earnings, and it has room for about 10 points. But say you're looking for 7 to 10 points, you could place your stop right up here with maybe a 4-point stop there. So Tesla's a potential short here. I would prefer something like a hammer, but it still gave us a decent candle. And SWKS is doing one of those runner shorts off earnings here. We get the big run up 4 days in a row, tries to continue and does not. Again, not the strongest reversal candle, so maybe it just consolidates here versus pulling back. But these are potential shorts. I'm not sure if I'm going to take them, but if you're looking for something, you could take something like that. Going back to the indexes, biotech here bouncing off the almost a hammer here, we'll call it a doji, but a little bit of continuation and getting back up over the moving average would set it up for a long again. SMH breaking out obviously affects our short in semiconductors, which is really our two shorts are hedges for all these longs. But if they do run today, I will get out of them. Let's see what else here. XLF financials breaking out. This is good for our financials. Position, oil, holding the level it's at and bouncing a little this morning. So we'll see if we can finally get some continuation there. Energy back up over its 50-day moving average. So you could also take ERX, that'll be on the watch today, or something like OAS, which is right up over its moving averages also after pulling back. So we'll watch that closely today. Gold pulling back, Russia still holding that 9 EMA, and then Brazil also continues to run. Really hard to enter there, but it's made a fantastic move. Tesla, Macy's is the other one I'm watching today. Now this was a gap down, put in a hammer here, and is starting to reverse. And if it gets up over the 9, maybe we get back into the gap here. So I'll be watching Macy's for a potential reversal play. And then Ferrari here has broke to its IPO high. That's RACE, race. Broke over its IPO high here. And I'd like to see a pullback, but this is a potential entry here if it can test its 9 EMA. And I also like what GoPro is doing as a potential bottom, but we do have earnings on the 2nd, so next Wednesday, so we cannot enter that yet. And I'm also watching the commodity metals. Some weird action here, but we'll see if it holds these levels. And for X, if it can remount its moving average. So that's what we're watching today. I may get out of SOX S. It is already at my stop level, which was 923, but when I'm using something as a hedge, I'll give it a little room, because if it is going down, it should mean that something like NVIDIA is going up, which it is. And again, NVIDIA's target is up here around 115. It's right at our entry at this point. And I would imagine financials would be moving up if IWM and semiconductors are moving up, or if these are moving down. So that is it for the trade report. I will see you guys later today or early tomorrow.